Okay, auxiliary drive belt replacement in a V6 petrol Peugeot SVD9, so it's the later motor, and the tensioner on the auxiliary drive belt in these, you see it down there with a bit of luck, the tensioner on these is self-adjusting. It swings on a cam arrangement, so you need a 3/8 inch square drive and your ratchet arm in order to swing it clockwise. That takes the tension off the belt. You can take it off, replace it. Here's the original belt here. You can see, I'll park that there, you can see it's well past its use by date. That's done 140,000 clicks. Gates replacement, you can, the original is actually 1588. Make sure the V's are all in the grooves on the pulleys, and of course make sure you get it back on the right way. Give the belt, give it a run. Remove the pan from underneath, will give you better access so that you can get underneath, and particularly for removing and replacing the belt on the AC compressor. Otherwise you'll find it a little bit difficult to clear that, and of course you can get underneath and make doubly sure that it's all in the right place. Which is a special tool, removal tool, 3/8, half inch to 3/8 drive, and you find you can just get that in sufficiently to swing that idler. So if you watch, you can get down there just underneath the bolt. You can see there's this square slot that 3/8 inch drive goes in, and then you swing it clockwise. That lifts up the idler pulley, and takes the tension off the belt. And of course, it's a reversal to put the tension back on the belt. Okay, here's the official repair manual information. You'll notice that they call the what we call a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, they call a type reduction geared motor. So a little bit of French-English translation here, and if I scroll down you can see, not sure how that's focusing, you can see where the square drive goes into the mounting plate for the tensioner in there, and of course you swing that clockwise and that raises the tensioner off the belt. It's on a cam arrangement, so when you've gone far enough it'll actually stay up and you can remove and replace the belt. Good idea to check the rollers, make sure that they're running free before you put the new belt on. You do that as a matter of course, and of course if you need to replace a bearing, that's the time to do it. And there's the they actually say start with the crankshaft pulley when you position the belt. I actually started down here with the AC pulley, removed the plastic pan guard underneath so you can access it. I put that one on first, hooked it around this way, and actually put it on the crankshaft pulley first, but whatever works. And make sure you give it a run, give the engine a run,